Chief Minister Kejala Conrad Kisangma ani kesengi hadin wechem bagi dekat ke Gentia Students Union CTC Orchid in Tatskany de kuburu wa result exam yang SSLC hau newsnem de ku ha kena pas hadu amye de wa mudur wa ini de bo ai ya kena kiwadang do thapure ai to ido admission kena se kelas 11 hapo rilom Gentia do ong wa de bon go pas bar gi sit wa gi college wa de kemen wa haus nama wa ndaw ye wa pen ba ini do ong le iwa bah to iwa gi kena kwa gi ulai pure gi thau sorkar kamatura college wa hakiang nang ba government college wa ini de penstom gi college wa pediang gi kena waro hejo ipo ra pediang ye wa au mur MLA gi jawai wa gi dekat gi JSU wa pembon gi kelas DWM ga morning wa day section wa pynheh ye yung kiang nang ba government college wa government boys higher secondary school hakali ye wa dawa gi san wa gi MLA na SJNT Hills wa sedang ye government college Khliehriat u Conrad ong wa kat ni ga sorkar da pengklanch ba ko gi people's college kiwa krek lang wa sorkar wa hai to wa college is Giant Hills do ong wa sorkar da bichar ko ini u Conrad ai cham le wa MLA ko jwai dai lang wa gishep ka chanat PWD hai wa hakani ga lang wailat miki de edor khat u ha u Conrad wa penlek paisa wa chna sai ka arli gi block community secretariat nei ba wa yo i ka block wa nang kong wa i krek de man i wa dep ka ma proportion percent hai to wa ini nei liang Conrad do ong wa ini de wa man i wa ba hai wa ka sorkar le da chim kya ga ini nei ba IM community secretariat da pensuk ko i pej ba Wai do bicara jorong ini. Cucuk wailat miki do ong le wa pynheh ya kiang nang ba government college ye wa Conrad do kuburu wa na sedang open biang ini wai do pynheh no ya gani college. Rap smart khnang yo yi pediang ra bon gi khna man ret man gawi. Conrad do ong le wa kamada pamna ikre ya nursing college sa jwai le muslim de os dangi. Nei liang wailat miki de wa le ya advance life support ambulance support ke district wai ni le dau e no sarkar khnang wa yo irap ki pe ba.
Basically they had met us and as you are aware that this year in the metric exams, the results were beyond our expectations also. We did expect that our results would improve, but we did not expect such high results. And therefore, naturally, the system for class 11 admission was not ready for the large number of students who passed out, which is of course a good thing that they passed out, but now the challenge is there in front of us to accommodate these students. In the overall analysis that we have done throughout the state, we have realized that more than 98% of the students in terms of the number of students to the number of seats available in the state in class 11 is almost 99, in fact I should say 99% the capacity is there. There's only 1% deficiency is there in the system right now. I don't have the exact numbers, but 60,000 plus. The problem is that the students are preferring certain locations for their studying. So therefore, as per the demand and the requirement of the student in a particular location is not there. But if you look at the whole state, it's there. So the challenge now lies is that people are preferring Tura Government College, people are preferring Kiangnama, a government college, and therefore that preference is becoming the challenge for us. Nonetheless, we are urging students through the press also that like in admissions in any level that you go for, please keep your options open. Let's have plan A, plan B, plan C, so that you at least at the end of the day end up getting a seat, because this is a challenging year for us. Hopefully by next year we'll be able to improve the situation. And second thing we want to say is that wherever possible, we are trying to come up with extra classes. So definitely the suggestion given by the Honorable MLA and by the JSU is a positive suggestion. We will definitely examine. Time is less, of course, but we'll examine and see how best we can address this issue. Meeting with, of course, our Honorable MLA has given a memorandum, and he has requested that the mini secretariat, which the first block is 85% complete. He's requested if the other two blocks can be sanctioned, and it's a very, very genuine demand. Definitely, I will be positively looking into this aspect, as this is something that we have promised, and this is something that will go a long way in helping the overall administrative setup in July. So I will definitely look into this and positively find a way forward in this aspect. The Honorable MLA has also requested, which she has again requested in the past, and I have also announced it in the past, which is the extension of the Kiangnamba building, college building. And this process also is already on. So this will be done very, very soon. We will be sanctioning the college building, extension college building for Kyang Namba College, so that in the future there are more seats that are available for the students of Jowai and West Jente Hills in general. Also, we have promised that a nursing college in Jente Hills will be coming up. So that's also something that is under process, and very soon we should be able to announce that also officially and start that also officially. The Honorable MLA has mentioned about the ALS ambulance for the district, which is something that is of course required because it's got advanced facilities in it, and there is none available here in West Jente Hills, and therefore this is something I have promised, and I will definitely look into this aspect. I also met the members of the Sinjuk Waheshnong Regentia, and they had mentioned about details and some issues in the MGNREGA work that can be taken up, for example, retaining walls and fencing. So they are requesting that those works should be allowed to be taken up under the MGNREGA scheme. We'll definitely examine this and see the possibility. They've also urged us to also look at the trade expansion in the border areas towards Bangladesh. Of course, the situation in Bangladesh is not proper right now for trade, but as and when it improves, at least the overall infrastructure, the manpower and the facilities should be improved so that the trade can expand in the future with Bangladesh and of course with the rest of the world. They have also requested for support in having the census to be started at the earliest, because we're still in the 2011 census. They also have requested that the amount for the PMAY be increased, which of course is a central government scheme. And they have also asked for manpower in terms of the different rescue and trained professionals to be able to help during different natural calamities. So therefore we are examining this aspect also. So all the points mentioned by them will be definitely examined in a positive manner. The members from the Jaintia Film Festival, Film, Music and Arts Association, they have requested us to have the International Film Festival in July this time. I think it's a very good proposal, and definitely after discussion with our Honorable MLA and discussion with the Honorable Tourism Minister, we will examine this in a positive manner. The all Jaintia Master Roll Workers and Labour Union also had met us. They've requested that the new rates that the government has given for the minimum wage, if they were asking for the rates to be revised and to be effective, from the 1st of October 2018. So we will just look at this aspect, 1st of October 2023. So we will look at this aspect and we examine this and what is the possibility on this. Another issues of the regular casual workers, the RCWs, and they're requesting for full implementation of that, and also they're asking for the enhancement of retirement for master roll from 58 to 60, and for the upgradation of category based on years of service. So all these aspects, of course, are related with personal department, and it'll be difficult for us to immediately give an answer, but I'll definitely examine this matter also. So those were the main issues that are there.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.